value would be $204.99. Because these are some of our most in-demand products, we wanted to provide a consistent offering that gives everyone the opportunity to get these items at amazing value. The Adam S Arsenal Builder Kit comes with the best combination of cleaners, tools, and protectants to keep your ride looking sharp. Makes the perfect gift or starter kit. The Adam S Arsenal Builder Kit is packed with value and quality. Whether you are just starting out, giving a gift, or you are a seasoned professional, you will receive a versatile car care kit that is filled with easy-to-use, essential must-have products. This kit has all the car cleaning supplies that you need in order to clean your wheels, add gloss and protection to your paint, and make your tires shine. Products for CR washing, wheels, tires, interior, glass, and paint protection. This car cleaning kit covers all the major car cleaning categories and was hand-selected with our best-selling products that will leave you wanting gallons on your next visit. There are a ton of products out there, so we made the cleaning process simple for those who want to get a taste of what the best car cleaning products can really do to their vehicle. What is included in Adam S Car Detailing Kit? When this kit arrives at your doorstep, you should expect to receive 17 total items, which include our famous car shampoo, wash soap, spray wax, tire shine, wheel cleaner, interior detailer, glass cleaner, single soft microfiber towels, great white drying towel, wheel scrubbing mitt, wash sponge, foam gun, 3.5-gallon bucket, grit guard, and car air freshener. 110% satisfaction guarantee. The team at Adams takes pride in satisfaction and quality. We are a premium brand that only uses the highest quality of ingredients in all our chemical formulations. This is our best value bundle and includes our top-selling car wash soap, car wax, detailing towels, tools, and accessories. We believe that we have the best line of car cleaning products on the market. If you don't agree, we'll do everything we can to make it right. That is Adam S Guarantee. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video.